Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Hassan. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 companies that I think are going to double in value in 2021. But before I continue, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button because that is going to let the Google algorithm know this video was useful for you and it might share it with other people so that they can find it useful as well. So the first company is GM or General Motors. General Motors is not a new company. It has been since many years, and because of some poor management, the company stock had been going down for a little while. But right now they have decided that they want to go in the electric vehicle market, and GM will spend $27 billion for an all electric vehicle lineup through 2025. And with this investment, they are planning to introduce 30 new electric vehicles by 2025 globally. GM had also launched a promo video for a concept for their Hummer EV that had made a really large noise in the electric vehicle market. It also caused the stocks to go a little bit higher. The Hummer EV is supposed to go on sales in fall 2021, so that is also a really large factor that can cause the stock to go really high. Another factor that I think will increase the growth for GM is that their subsidiary Cruise, which specializes in self-driving concepts, has partnered up with Microsoft, and Microsoft has announced that they are going to invest $2 billion in order to commercialize their product. Cruise will use Microsoft's Azure cloud computing technology to roll out their autonomous vehicle services. This news has caused an increase in the stock value of GM in the past couple of days. The second company is PayPal. PayPal has seen a humongous growth in 2020 of about 113%, and they are currently at $253 per stock. And I think that this growth is going to go even higher in 2021. People who did not have an online presence in 2020 suffered a lot, and many businesses have started providing their services online, and PayPal has been an integral part of those services. So that was the cause for their growth in 2020, and I think that this growth is going to continue throughout 2021, and many businesses will also bring their services online, have an online presence, and the companies that are already there will try to increase their presence online, and PayPal is going to be an integral part of their services. Another aspect that I think is going to increase the value of PayPal in the year 2021 is their cryptocurrency investments. They have already introduced their cryptocurrency handling in the US, and once they introduce their cryptocurrency handling in Europe, the stock price is going to go even higher very fast in 2021. So the third company that I think will double in 2021 is Lenovo. Now, almost every one of you have used a product from Lenovo. It might be a laptop or a tablet or any other computing device. Lenovo offers a really large variety of products with a very diverse product price range. They offer laptops for a really small price, which have really low specs but are good for people who just want to do their office work. And because of this pandemic situation, their sales have exploded in 2020. I think their sales will continue to go even higher, and because of the home office situation, some people who only need their laptops to be just simple and not having a lot of really high specs, Lenovo offers really great solutions for those people, and other companies might not be able to provide those specs at such low prices which Lenovo is being able to provide. One thing of concern for some people might be that it's a Chinese company, and looking at Huawei and other Chinese companies in the past, their stock values have really dropped because of the US sanctions. But I think the new US President Joe Biden will have a different strategy with China, and these Chinese companies might have a different future. So I would really keep an eye on this company. Now, the fourth company is Ocean Power Technologies. This company develops proprietary technology to harness the power of oceans to generate clean and renewable energy. They also provide offshore technologies to generate power in remote locations and provide communication solutions for offshore and subsea applications. Now, this company is in line with the new clean and renewable energy in which the whole world is trending into, and that is why this company has increased 559% in the past 1 year. This said, I would be really cautious on how much I invest in this company because it does not have a lot of information out there. The financial health is not that clear at the moment. And the fifth company is SL Green Realty Corp. This company is a real estate investment trust and it's mostly invested in buildings in the New York area. And because of the pandemic situation and the stores closing down, this company, which was trading at about $100, went all the way down to $40. But when things get better, stores open up, this company is going to go really high and it's at least going to go back to its initial value before the pandemic situation. So if you are really interested in REITs, I think SL Real Green Corp is a really good option. I'm not a financial advisor and the ideas that I've shared in this video are my own opinions. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, see which companies that you like, have a look in their financial aspects, see their financial health. If you want to know how to do stock research, I've made a video on how you can do that. Link in the description. And if you liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Please share it with your friends if you think this was useful for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bleib gesund.